Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to discuss two job roles from Yulu company. Both freshers and experienced candidates can apply for this job position. So, we will discuss complete details in this video. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers, those who are visiting channel for a first time, viewers, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So, please do subscribe channel. As we discussed, viewers, company Yulu. First position is Cluster Partnership Manager. In order to apply for this position, viewers, required skills are business development, team leader, account management, relationship field audits, process improvement and event management. Candidate need to have ideas regarding these areas. Freshers, experienced, both can apply for this position, viewers. Must be comfortable with creating and managing complex business proposals, a very important point. You need to manage complex business proposals, and candidate need to have excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English, and as well as interpersonal relationship building skills, which is very important for a business development. Proficiency in data analytics will be added advantage. Ability to build strong relationship, exercise diplomacy, problem solving to work effectively under pleasure. They clearly mention what they are expecting from the candidates. And guys, deep understanding of Bangalore in general, has a good business sense, multitasking and prioritization abilities, and unwavering focus and ability to handle ambiguity. In the same notification, even they clearly mention regarding roles and responsibilities, which includes manage relationship and growth for maximizing rights and customer satisfaction in its respective cluster, and primary focus on business expansion, maximizing vehicle utilization and rights and managing the staff direct and indirect, conducting audits and ensuring hygiene of Yulu zones and charging stations in the cluster, conceptualize, execute and develop strategic alliance with established corporates and new age startups that will accelerate innovation and revenue growth across range of market spaces, including shared spaces, shopping, lifestyle and fitness, working with central marketing team to drive partnership specific offline and online marketing campaigns, work with city and traffic police, metro bus stands, colleges, malls, hospitals for possible tie-ups and demand generation. Interested candidates can apply for this position, viewers, and I am going to provide link in description. And next job role from Yulu, operation associate position, viewers. This is completely night shift. Good communication skills in English, proficient in Kannada, minimum 1 year experience is mandatory. Looking for smart candidates who can adapt with changing dynamics on ground. E-commerce, logistics, mobility background is preferred but not compulsory. If you had 1 year experience in operations, you can apply for this position. Job responsibilities includes running day-to-day operations and implementing the strategy for key operations, understanding every process deeply and implement new process for optimization and increasing efficiency, drive projects to maximize the quality of bikes available in the field, understand, repair and maintain innovative solutions for proactive maintenance of bikes on road, will be part of control room team to drive operational efficiency on ground. I am going to provide two important links in the description, viewers. Through link you can apply for particular position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much. All the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe channel, hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.